In the year 2000, investors lost $5 trillion in a single market crash. The companies had no profits. The business models made no sense. Yet billions poured in anyway. Thousands of companies evaporated. Savings were wiped out. Retirement funds disappeared. But here's what's terrifying. The exact same pattern is happening right now. It started with a simple belief. The internet would change everything. Companies were founded with nothing but an idea and a domain name. Investors reasoned, if the internet is the future, then any company with .com in its name must be a gold mine. They skipped the hardest part, actually making money. Profit was irrelevant. Growth was everything. Investors told themselves a new story. This time is different. Old rules don't apply. Profits don't matter. The logic became self-reinforcing. Stock prices rose because investors believed they would. Companies burned cash to grow faster. Faster growth attracted more investment. By 1999, venture capitalists were handing out millions to literally anyone with a pitch deck about the internet. Then in early 2000, something shifted. A handful of companies began reporting earnings. The numbers were catastrophic. Investors asked the question they should have asked years earlier. How will these companies ever make a profit? The crash was swift. Trillions evaporated in weeks. Companies that promised to revolutionize everything simply ceased to exist. People who believed the narrative, teachers, retirees, small investors, bore the cost. The lesson seemed clear. When everyone agrees that old rules don't apply, that's when you're most in danger. Profits matter, risk matters, fundamentals matter, history matters. Now look at today. We have companies with no revenue, valued at billions. We have assets with no underlying utility, attracting billions in investment. The story we tell ourselves is the same. This time is different. The old rules don't apply. This is the future. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. The players change. The mechanism stays the same. Before you invest in the next big thing, ask yourself the questions investors forgot to ask in 2000. Does this make economic sense? Can this company actually make money? What happens when sentiment changes? The future is worth believing in, but belief alone is not due diligence, and hype is not a business model.